Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Ipsy unbagging for March 2018. I'm excited to jump into it and see what's inside. Last month was a little bit disappointing. It wasn't a terrible bag, but I felt like I wasn't super excited about it. So I kind of feel like Ipsy's on the chopping block for me. Like I'm thinking about canceling, but I don't know. At the same time, I do enjoy getting it every single month, but I feel like I have other subscription boxes that I like better. So I don't know. We'll see. It depends on the next few months. I know a lot of you guys have canceled recently or you've been thinking about it, so you'll have to let me know what you think of the bags this year. I feel like 2018 hasn't been as good as 2017, but I feel like it's getting a gift in the mail every single month, so it's just kind of like a fun surprise. I feel like that's why I haven't canceled yet, because I do enjoy it. Like when I see the pink envelope in the mail, oh, my add-ons are falling out. When I see the pink envelope in the mail every month, I honestly get excited. So let's jump into it and I'll show you guys what's inside the March bag. So the bag actually does come with two little markers, which is cute. So you are supposed to color it in. I'm personally not the biggest fan of coloring. I wish I was, because I've heard it's very therapeutic, but I'll just pass this along to like one of my nieces or one of my cousins, because I think they would probably enjoy it more than I do. So the first thing in here is by the brand Glossier. I've actually been wanting to try out some of their products. Recently, I've been getting a lot of comments asking me if I've tried their products or giving me recommendations from this brand. So I'm kind of curious about the brand. I really haven't tried anything. I don't even think I've gotten anything in subscription boxes before, but this is the Rose Balm Dotcom Universal Skin Salve. And actually, a couple of you guys told me to try this out. I think it's supposed to be like a multitasking product, so you can use it on the lips, but you can also use it like on your cuticles or any dry areas on your body that just need a little extra dose of hydration. Okay, so when you open it up, it is a pink tinted product. Let me just put a little bit on my cuticles and test it out. It does smell like rose, and it's so weird. I've really been into rose scented products lately. I've been trying out a couple from Pixi lately, and I used to hate the smell of roses or like rose scented products, but I have been like all about the products that I've been using lately. So I'm kind of into it now. So I'm excited that I got this. It feels really moisturizing, but it also doesn't feel greasy. Like it blends into the skin, it blends into the cuticles nicely, and I feel like it is a hydrating product. So I definitely want to try it out on the lips, because I've been looking for some good hydrating products. But if you guys have any Glossier recommendations, please let me know, because I do want to try out more of their products. It says made in the USA and cruelty free, which is awesome. Okay, the next product in here is by the brand INT Cosmetics. It is their Goddess Gold eyeshadow. It looks like a really pretty color. I feel like Ipsy must know my eyeshadow preferences. Like they can read my mind, because they always do send really beautiful colors that I enjoy and I wear. This is a really pretty color. It goes on really beautifully. It just kind of melts into the skin, and that's how I would normally apply a shadow on my eyes. I would just use my finger to apply it. So this looks like a really gorgeous color, and I will definitely get use out of it. Also, this is a really big eyeshadow. Like this is a big pan for a single shadow, so that's always really nice as well. It's not like one of those super small samples. I just have to find a way to store my single shadows. I don't know why, but I feel like when they're in like their own palette, I don't reach for it as often. So I need to find a way to like store them where I'll reach for them super often and get a lot of use out of them. So the next thing in here is by the brand Moda, and it is a fan brush. This is really, really cute. I think that I've gotten something from this brand before, either in an Ipsy bag or a BoxyCharm box, but to be completely honest with you guys, I'm not the biggest fan of fan brushes. I feel like I can't get the hang of them. When I apply highlight, I need something like this brush from Wet n Wild. It's a little bit more of like a tapered brush, and I feel like it blends my highlight perfectly. Although I was just watching a Jaclyn Hill video yesterday, and she used a fan brush to apply her blush, and she said it was a trick that she learned from, I forget who it was, but it was a makeup artist, and they said that when you apply your blush like that, it just looks really beautiful and diffused. So maybe I'll have to give it a shot. I feel like I've gotten rid of the majority of my fan brushes, so I think I'll hang on to this one, try out that trick, but if it doesn't work for me, I'll pass it along to somebody else. Okay, the next thing in here is from Tarte Cosmetics. Oh, I totally got this last month as a points purchase, and I don't remember redeeming my points for it, but they sent it to me. It must have been a replacement for one of the other products that I tried to get. It is from Tarte Cosmetics. It is their Sex Kitten liner, and it's basically a black pencil liner. I just donated mine because personally I don't use black pencil liner. The only time I wear black liner is when I'm wearing black liquid liner on the upper lash line, but whenever I line my waterline, I always go in with like a nude or a gold or a colored liner. So I have so many black liners in my collection that I'll just donate this one as well. I don't need it. But I do think it's really nice they included this, because when I went online to look up the price last time, it was half half the size of the full-size liner. So it looks kind of small, but you're really getting half the size of a full high-end eyeliner, which is really great. So I think it's nice they included Tarte. I do love the brand. They're cruelty-free. They have a lot of great options, but I personally just won't be using it. So the last thing in here is a lipstick by the brand Mello. It's in the shade Nude, and it is a matte lipstick. So let me open it up. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. Okay, let me swatch this. I've really been into like cream lipsticks again lately. The only time that I usually wear a matte or like liquid lipstick is when I'm filming a YouTube video because I'm talking a lot and I don't want to have to worry about like touching it up. But otherwise, I'm like all about cream lipsticks. You guys, this one goes on so beautifully. It's a really gorgeous color. It's definitely a shade that I will get a lot of use out of. I'm really excited to wear it. It definitely is a color that I love. So that is everything I got inside my Ipsy bag this month. I am excited about this bag. Definitely more excited than last month. I think the product that I'm most looking forward to trying out is the Glossier Rose Balm Dotcom, just because I've heard so many good things about this brand, and the lipstick looks absolutely beautiful. It definitely looks like a color that I will get a lot of use out of, and the formula seems really nice. The eyeshadow is definitely a win for me. It's a beautiful color. The fan brush seems like it's going to be a nice brush, even if it doesn't become one of my personal favorites. I feel like it's nice they included a brush in the bag. I always like getting brushes, and even though I won't use the eyeliner, I appreciate that they included a well-known high-end brand that's cruelty-free. So they definitely won me over with this bag. I feel like it was a good bag. So I don't know if there's something going on with my account because I feel like I haven't been getting my point purchases lately, and then I randomly just got 3 products, but they didn't send me like the rest of them. So I want to contact them to see what's going on with that, just because I don't know if like it's going through or what, but I did get 3 products this month. So the first one is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Grand. I do have a couple of samples of this product, but to be honest with you guys, I've never given it like a fair shot. So I saw this color online and it looked like something I would really enjoy. So I purchased it with my points because I want to try out this product and see how I like their liquid lipsticks. Again, I've not really been into like liquid lipsticks lately, but I feel like it's still kind of nice, you know, to try a new brand every once in a while just to switch it up. So I'm looking forward to trying out this color specifically. Do you guys like their liquid lipsticks? I feel like I hear mixed reviews on them, and in general, I prefer to stick with ColourPop. That's what I'm wearing today. I'm usually on the fence about buying like high-end lip products, but I figured since there was a sample, I would try it out and see how I enjoyed it. The next thing is a brush by the brand F.A.R.A.H. This one is their 20F foundation brush, and I did just get a brush from this brand, I think in my Ipsy bag last month, and it felt really beautiful. I'll give it a shot, but I did really enjoy the brand when I tried it. And the last product is a sheet mask by the brand The Creme Shop. So this one is their Fusion Sheet Mask. It has the benefits of 2 masks in one. It says that rose water soothes skin and violet oil provides deep nourishment. And again, I've been all about like rose scented skincare products, so I'm really excited to try it out and see how it works. I feel like I've kind of been neglecting my sheet mask collection because I've been using more like traditional just like skincare masks that you actually apply and wash off. So I miss sheet masks. So I feel like I'm definitely going to have to work them back into my skincare routine, including this one as well. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you let me know in the comments below what you guys got inside your bag this month, because I would love to hear from you. I just enjoy hearing your thoughts on what you thought about the bags, the products, and things like that. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.